guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ali Cake, and I wanted to thank you guys so much for over 100 subscribers. So happy that I reached over 100, and I will continue to thank you guys so much for subscribing. And yeah, today's video I'll be doing this gothic emo look. If you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so let's get into the simple goth look. So I'm going in with the James Charles palette, and I'm going in with the black. I'm going in with the black and taking my fluffy brush, and I'll be putting the black on the outer corner and just underneath and blending it in. So cold, so alone, so cold, so alone. Take some white and put that to the front and blend it together with the black. So cold, so alone. I'm going in with my liquid liner, and I'm going to be drawing a very big wing. Okay guys, so I had to switch to a different camera because not to a different camera, to a different phone, because my other phone was overheating. So if the quality looking different or anything, it's because I switched phones. Anyway, I digress. I just draw the liner, and now I'm going to draw some bottom lashes. Must this all be untrue? I just can't believe. So, up to here looking like a spider. I'm going in with some white eyeliner, and I'm going to put in white right here. and kind of messily, like.
So cold, so
now I'm going to draw some inner corner liner. Take some of the same black liner and do some little freckles on my face, on my nose and on my cheeks. With some black eyeliner to make a black lip.
all the nights I pray, must this all be untrue? I just can't believe I am losing you.
Okay guys, so this is the final look.
So cold.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.